This is the back on how it looks like, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Nah, I'm tripping, bro. My friend Ryan is going to help me install it. So let's go. You say try to read the instructions. Okay.
This is your thingy port, eh?
Yes, it worked before, so that works. Press button and then push it down. There you go.
So,
okay, so like you put tape like right under this, right? Yeah, that's good. Nice.
it's just like,
That's cool. That's actually smart, bro. I'm assuming this also can come off.
oh yeah, most definitely. It's all
And here we have voice crack. Here we have the LED RGB lights installed in the car. Let me get out. Bruh. There we go. Oh wait, that thing just fell off.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
There we go. That one only took like 2 seconds. This is the back on how it looks like, guys. Let me know what you guys think. So far, I'm thinking of adding maybe starlights. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. And yeah. This is like a few days from now. A few days ago since Ryan installed these. Thank you so much, by the way. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. And then the car looks very good tinted as well, though. Can barely see in the inside. Pretty good, not gonna lie. I will catch you guys for the next video, which will be something to do with this wheel over here. So yeah, let's get it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay holy, stay blessed, stay humble. Catch you all in the next one. Take care. Okay, so this is like hours later. It's currently nighttime outside. Bruh. Can barely see outside anyways. But yeah, check this out. I'm gonna put it on police lights. Check this out, bro. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, dude. Check this out. Nah, that's crazy. What? Oh my gosh. Dude. Is it also in the back? Nah, I'm tripping, bro. Let me put this back to normal. Okay, there we go. Yeah, this is the light. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, bro. This is wow. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, take care. It's the wheel next, so yeah, take care, guys. Take care.